Hey guys, this is Chris here, back to my channel finally. I have just ordered I had ordered a new item from eBay, honestly, and honestly I am sick and tired of receiving packages from Amazon. Why would you order something from eBay when you want to give an eBay seller your business, and then you end up getting a package from Amazon? I mean, this is pretty frustrating. I don't like to give my business to Amazon. Personally, I don't. I've had bad experience with them, okay? It's a long story. But I ordered this item from eBay, so I expect it to come from an eBay seller and not from an Amazon seller. So this is obviously came from Amazon. As you can see, this is the shipping label right here. I obviously don't want it. I don't want you to see my personal information address, so I covered it with a blank piece of paper. But you can tell clearly this is an Amazon box. I mean, all day, every day. I'm gonna try to shoot this here, show you guys. This is definitely an Amazon box, if you see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it now to show you. And I believe this is marked as a gift because it's pretty much, you know, Christmas time. It's right around this area right now. So I'm gonna try to open this with one hand to show you guys what's inside. And you know, it's just frustrating. I just don't understand why would you receive an item from Amazon, and when you have clearly ordered it and paid for on eBay. Obviously, this is a, what do we have here? I had ordered a 12 outlet surge protector with it's a Belkin surge protector. And as you see, it is brand new in retail packaging. Well, at least it seems to be brand new. That's why I'm opening this and unboxing this. As you can see, this is supposed to be a very good surge protector with about, I believe, with a rating of 4,000 joules. It's got 12 outlets, an 8-foot heavy duty, you know, foot cord. It's got 2 Ethernet ports as well, and I believe it does cover 3,940 joules, and it's a slim design supposedly. So again, if you guys want to comment on this video, I just don't seem to understand why people are drop shipping, if you would, from Amazon. I'm gonna lay this here, from Amazon, while you clearly ordered something from eBay. I mean, this is frustrating. What if this item is defective? It doesn't work right? Because I have ordered it, and this is supposed to be a brand new item. To be honest, it looks brand new, but you have to admit it's a bit suspicious. Why am I receiving it in an Amazon box? And if I'm not mistaken, let me move this aside. This seems like it was ordered as it was supposed to arrive as a gift. And it's honestly, it looks like a gift box to me, doesn't it to you guys? So, first of all, it's not a gift. I ordered it for myself, from my own personal account, and this is what I got in the box, as you can see. So, if you guys have any comments or any questions, or if this has happened to you, which I assume this has been happening a lot, that you order something from eBay and you end up receiving a box from Amazon, I mean, you're probably disappointed too. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. What's your experience if you have received an Amazon box and you have ordered from a completely different website, not Amazon? What do you think about it? Do you hate it? You know, do you care? Do you not care? Did you receive a brand new item? Did you receive a refurbished / used item? Or did you even order the item that you have actually? I mean, did you receive the actual item that you have ordered, or did you get something else? And how did you go on about, you know, resolving the issue? So let me know below in the comments. I would appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time.